Today we are back out at the barn site, up under a nice roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on getting everything formed up for concrete. It's going to be 6 inches around the edges, about 4 inches or so in the middle, and we're going to get forms put up around the edges. We're going to get dug down to 6 inches right around the edge, and then we're going to pull a string across and just make sure that we're pretty close to 4 all over. It don't have to be dead on. Got it level for the most part. Our next step is going to be to rough plumb it. So we've got a bunch of PVC pipe right there behind me. Got all the fittings we need, and so now I'm just going to start laying it out where it goes. As I've just laid everything out where I want it to be, I took a stick, kind of traced it. I'm going to use that auger, drill me several holes that I can just clean out with the trenching shovel. I'm going to start right here, and then that's going to be the top spot, so I make sure I got the right fall going down that way. Okay, we got here early in the morning. It was after dark when we got everything finished last night. It took a long time, but we got all our pipe laid out. It's got fall from the top to where it goes out, and that's the main thing. You know, fire burns up and the other stuff flows down. So you gotta have fall. We got fall, we got the right amount of fall. All right, I'll show you what we got. So our water, this is our water pipe going to the other side, so we get water outside the barn, feed animal or water animals and stuff like that. It just follows that same trench. Right here will be where the washing machine goes. That'll be a shower. You got a toilet, a vent, and a clean out. And everything goes down the main trench right there, out the back of the house. We got our water line laid on top of that, just to get the same trench to go out to that pole out there. And we have some water, so we got to get this thing covered up. We got CRJ Construction out here doing some dirt work, getting ready to pour this puppy in the morning. We also got TNT Pest Control gonna do a pre-treat, and they also holding the shovels and rakes.
I was using this.
Okay. All right. Well, we got this thing pretty much leveled off, and what we're gonna do next, Chris?
Put some plastic down.
Put some plastic. we got our first concrete truck pulling in right now. I got the guys with CRJ out here fixing to help me get this slab poured. So he's going back on in here, I hope, and then we won't have to drag it much. So first one of the day, we're about to get all this poured. It's going to be good.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun